Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows 11 build and that update's finished. This ensures compatibility. Once done, sign in with an administrator account because you need elevated rights to repair system packages. Make sure your internet is active. The store may re-download components. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Optional Features to check the store entry. If the store is missing or broken, you'll switch to PowerShell next. This is where you'll forcibly re-register and restore core store packages. Open Windows Terminal as administrator. Choose PowerShell profile so commands run elevated. First, run getapps package elusers *Windows Store * to inspect installed store packages and identify corrupt entries. If a package is clearly broken, remove it with remove apps package for that package, but avoid removing unrelated system apps. Next, navigate to C \Windows\System Apps or use the official apps bundle path, and after re-registering, restart Windows to finalize file registration and background service startup. Once rebooted, launch Microsoft Store and sign in, check app functionality, downloads, and updates. If it still misbehaves, run WS Reset. exe to clear the store cache, then the built-in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Make sure to run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if core files are corrupted. If nothing helps, create a new admin user to confirm profile-specific issues before considering an in-place upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.